Today we will see how to create an employee in Fusion HCM Cloud. For that, we have to go to home page, my client groups, new person. We will create two users. One is for payroll manager to run the payroll, and another one is payroll administrator to create the payroll setups and all. For that, we will create an employee using hire an employee. Select the hire date as January 1st and hire action, hire, reason for hire to fill a vacant position, legal employer, search US1 legal entity. This is very important. For which legal employer you are hiring an employee is very much important. And then worker number generation, it will be generated automatically. And worker type is employee. And now we are selecting last name. Last name, I'm giving it as a manager. Otherwise, I'll give another name as Raj. Last name as payroll manager. Okay, and just select the title. Select the name, and this is very much important, date of birth. If we don't give date of birth, we cannot run payroll for the particular employee. We select date of birth as 1985. We'll take it as 1985. Employee office type. Somebody has created a flex field and made it as a mandatory employee office type. I'm making it as head office. It's not required, but somebody has created office type. Relationship details. And then we have to give national identifiers. If you have any doubt, just click on the help icon. It will show what is the actual meaning for national identifier and how to give the valid values here. Just we click on the help, we can get this one. And then select social security number. Social security number is a 9-digit number. Just give like this. And then click on next. You need to enter social security number, that is 9-digit number. So what is the number you have given? Okay, 8 digits you have given. So we have given another one number. Click on next. And here the address. I'm giving address as zip code. Search for the zip code 94061. So these are all the additional informations we can skip for now. Otherwise, you can give. So if you see here, the important thing is person number generated automatically issuing. As of now, it was not created because in the manage enterprise HCM information, we have given person number generation method is automatic upon final save. So that is the reason it is not created so far. Coming to employment information, we have to give the work relationship details like I-9 status, expiration date, and medical insurance available. All these details comes under work relationship details. And service dates. This is also, as a legal employer, what is the starting date, service date, and enterprise. Also both are same because we are hiring an employee for the first time. So it will take service date as 1/1/24, which we have given at the enterprise level at the same as legal employer level. And next time, if you terminate the employee or if the employee has resigned the organization or the enterprise and again he rejoined in another legal employer of the same enterprise, this date will not change, but this date will change. The legal employer hire date will change, but not the enterprise hire date. The business unit assignment level details we are giving here. Use one business unit. The payroll relationship details. In the payroll relationship details, we have given business unit details, assignment details is payroll eligible active, person type as employee, and other required information like here the tax reporting details. You have to select US1 legal entity. This is called as TRU, tax reporting unit. And here we have to select for which payroll you are hiring for this employee. Just select we have created one payroll definition, FPT payroll definition. Just select for this payroll. Since we are assigning this payroll for this employee, payroll definition is FPT payroll definition. And now just we have to click on next. What is salary basis? Salary basis select the salary basis. See, if we select the salary basis, automatically monthly again. This is the frequency. Salary range is monthly. and the amount is I'm giving him $12,000 per month. So annual salary is 1,44,000 USD. Is a full-time employee. And then click on next. Yeah, before submitting all the details, just cross-check all the information like person information, employment information, compensation and other informations, and payroll related information. Everything seniority details. Just cross-check all the details came correctly. What you have given as an input. This is a review page. What is the payroll we are assigning to the employee? All these things we have to cross-check in this page before clicking on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you cannot revert it back. So that is the reason either you can save and close, and next after some time you can submit, or just click on submit button. Just I'm clicking on submit button. This pop-up will come. The request will be submitted. Do you want to continue? Yes. Click on OK. Now we have hired an employee from the dashboard using hire an employee work area. After hiring an employee, if there are no approval rules are there, so system will take some time to auto approve, and then we can able to see the employee in person management page. How to go to person management? Click on home. Person management. It will take some time to display the information in the person management page. So before that, we can verify in the transaction console. Tools, transaction console. Come to the tools page and tool section in the transaction console and check in the in progress transaction summary. In the transaction summary tab, check in the in progress. If you see it is in progress, here we are saying Raj Payroll Manager is in progress. We got an error due to null value for an attribute in test underscore rule. It's a BPL task. Somebody has enabled approval rules, test rules as a null value. So because of this issue, we are unable to hire an employee because the approval rules were not properly configured, and it was backfired actually. This is the BPL task issue 30082. Okay. We will see the issue later. Thank you.